Keep going.
Go.
There you go.
Go.
1, 2, 3, go. Go. Get going. Ready, set, go. Yay, Landon. Yay. Again.
Go up.
Singing for a song. Will you help him change the world? Can you dig it? Yes, I can. And I've been waiting such a long time for today. Slow motion riders fly the colors of the day. A bronze man still can tell stories his own way. Listen, children, all is not lost, all is not lost. Oh, no, no. Funny day.
No. No.
That's right. Good boy.
Every day's the 4th of July. People reaching, people touching, a real celebration. Waiting for a song. Waiting for a song. If you want it, really want it, can you dig it? Yes, I can. And I've been waiting such a long time.
Come on, Mike. Here's one for you. Take it, Grandpa. Blow on it real hard.
Blow it. You can blow it. You gonna blow it?
Yay! Here you go. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. There you go. All right. Shake it, shake it. Yay, Landon. Whoa.
Oh, good job. Uh-oh, all gone.
Silly bug. Yeah, he won't hurt nothing. He's a silly bug. There we go. Around the corner. Around the corner.
You want to touch him?
No.
Can Grandpa touch him?
No.
No. You want Grandpa to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye, bug. Want to give the bug a kiss? Uh-oh. He fell down. Say bye-bye, bug. Bye-bye, bug.
Bye-bye, bug. Can you say bye-bye, bug?
Say bye-bye, bug.